Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I'm a little bit confused. They're going to cut this out of paper, and they want to eliminate lines like this if we look at the word softball. And the one thing I'm confused about is this line is a point line and not a hairline. And then this line is a hairline. So I'm going to take it all and make it a hairline. So they'll all be kind of equal. And besides that work, I can't really see anything overlapping, with the exception there's a alligator face that is a duplicate of that. Well, it's not 100%. And so I don't know if I don't know. I mean, I guess they're doing it layers of paper. Those are the only two lines. I mean, the only other thing I see I think that's just a double line, with the exception of this has a different eyeball in it. Well, and let's see what the teeth look like. Yeah. So those are separated. So I don't see why you need that. And it's just been a long day and I'm ready to hit the sack, and you can email me back for the one that's doing it. So the only other one I see that are double lines are like that. And so what I would do, this is a double line from here to here. That's a double line from there to there. Get your shape tool. Of course, you'll have to ungroup it. If your shape tool doesn't work, it's because it's in a group. And I'm going to take that node right there and right click, break apart, right click, break apart, and then you could cut that line out. And the same thing here. Right click and break it apart. And it's a little bit more than I thought because the blue is different. Break it apart, and then you can take the virtual segment delete key and delete that line. So it'd be let me bring the softball back. Make sure yeah, see, that's not part of that orange. That would solve that problem. I don't know if there's other problems. I don't understand the different colors. And that actually has a feel, now that I say that. Yes, there's some white. Maybe I need to go back and reread the email. And it won't really matter that it's white because you're not printing it. But I would and just let me know tomorrow or tonight, and I'll see it tomorrow. That's only double lines I see. And I'm guessing what they're doing is making this out of paper in different layers